Hey guys,
You're choking me.
What? Hey guys, today's video we're making loaded potato soup from our kitchen to yours on keto.
Not potato.
It's not potato. What are we making then?
You've done keto long enough. It's not potato.
What's up, my keto friends? And you know who you are. I usually go up, but I went down on that one. What is up, my keto friends? And you know who you are.
I'm sorry. Today's National Laugh Day.
What is up, my keto friends? And you know who you are. Today's National Laugh Day. What's up, my keto friends? And you know who you are. You didn't know I was a baritone, did you? Welcome back to another video on our channel. If this is your first time here and you want to learn how to live a simple keto lifestyle and also other keto related topics, do me a favor, click the subscribe button, move a little bit over, click the bell and the word all so you don't miss any notifications when we upload great ketogenic content on this channel. Now, like I said before, today we're making not baked potato soup.
Loaded
I said potato soup. She said we're not making potato soup. I thought we were. That's why I got all excited. I was like, yay, finally potatoes. Are we off keto now? Huh?
Loaded potato soup.
Potato soup. Now, if you think about this,
it's only because you don't like to
listen.
It's cauliflower.
Cauliflower just sounds nasty. Who likes to eat that except poured it on, you know, dipping it in a ranch bathtub and then eating it? That's great. But Susan has, I don't know where you get this recipe from, but she's made this cauliflower soup and it tastes dang delicious. So we thought we would present it to our keto friends if you want to make this. Of course, winter's almost over. But it still tastes delicious. There's nothing wrong with soup, right? In the springtime?
Is not here yet. We have another week.
We got another cold snap. Whatever that means. So, where'd you get the recipe? Where did you meet for the first time?
It's hittoketo.com. Okay, and for today's recipe, we have 1 cup of bacon. We're going to use half of it in the soup and then half of it for topping. 2 tablespoons of bacon grease. 2 tablespoons of butter. We have 1 cup of green onions. We're going to use half in the soup and half for topping. We have 1/2 cup of yellow onions chopped. 1/2 cup of red bell pepper chopped. We have 1/2 cup of heavy whipping cream, 1/2 block of cream cheese, 3 cloves of garlic finely chopped, 1/2 cup of celery. We have 1/8 of a teaspoon of pepper, 1/8 of a teaspoon of cayenne, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. We have 4 cups of chicken broth and 1 cup of cheddar cheese. We're going to use half in the soup and half of it on as for a topping.
And 1 head of cauliflower.
Okay, and we almost forgot we have 1/2 teaspoon of xanthan gum.
There it is.
Doesn't really look like much.
There it is. You just saw how to make this. And that's the close-up. This is the finished product. Susan has some finished touches to put on this. Easy, it's a little warm. So
Got the excess cheese.
I'm just going to call it cauliflower soup because I'm not afraid of it anymore. And I don't care if it sounds nasty. That's what I'm going to call it because I don't want to trick people into think they're getting a fake potato soup. I'm just not going to do it. Oh man, I can't wait to try this.
So I'm going to feed you?
Yes, let's try it. Ready? Okay, we got bacon, cheese, and the soup. Ready?
It's hot.
That's not hot. Hold on.
Wait.
Oh, wait. Hold on. Almost. Wait a minute. I need a straw. Hold on. Got too big. I need a bigger spoon. Wait a minute.
Dude.
Oh, hold on.
That is stupid delicious.
Woo!
Look, this is the first time I've done it without the thyme. Wow.
Wait a minute.
Without the thyme.
Okay, here's the thing. I'll just give my critique. It tastes delicious. When I'm chewing it, because mentally I know it's cauliflower, there's no substitution or tricking of, oh, this tastes like potato. See, we can eat keto and be potato lovers. No, that's not it. It's cauliflower.
But I like it.
So deal with it. I mean, I do too.
It's really
I don't
good.
want to say that we're trying to eat potato soup.
I mean, it has the same flavor as potato soup. It just doesn't have
I'll give you that.
chunk mush.
I'll give you that. Now, why does it have that flavor?
Well,
because
because potatoes really have no taste.
that's what I was going to say. So the potatoes actually is not giving that soup flavor.
Yeah, because I remember, I think it was Serious Keto. He was talking about how he went on a potato diet.
Oh my
Where
gosh.
he did nothing. What? It's good?
It's good. I
Right.
got to get my own bowl.
He ate potatoes like that's all he ate was potatoes, and then he like boiled some little finger potatoes because he's like, oh, I'm gonna want some potatoes for snack. He didn't even eat them because he said potatoes, if you don't put salt or anything on it, potatoes have like no taste. They're just kind of.
I mean, it's a clump of something from the ground.
Yeah.
In the ground, it's dirt. What's the temperature
really good.
outside? Hey Alexa,
Hey, it's cold.
what's the temperature outside?
Right now, it's 47 degrees Fahrenheit.
Okay, in Alabama, 47. That's a little chilly outside, so this will go well. I'll go sit on the porch, put an Alabama blanket on, snuggle up to my wife, and eat some of this stuff.
It's good. It's delicious.
Oh, you gotta try it. This is one for the books, guys.
Can you not smack?
Wow. Okay, one more thing I wanted to talk about. At the end of this video, grab those puffs. Susan ran across something. Oh, I don't know how you ran across this, but this is a bottle of protein puffs. I wanted to show you guys this in case you'd never heard of it.
Look, not a sponsor, but should
not
be.
a sponsor. Okay, just get 1 cup, which is 30 grams, is only 2 carbs.
One whole cup?
Yes.
Oh.
Yes, and that's a lot. I measured out some yesterday for a salad. I'll put these on my salad in the place of croutons, because I used to love some croutons on my salad. I will put these on my salad, and a cup is too much. It's too much. This is jalapeno,
Garlic parmesan.
cheddar, delicious. Now this is a little bit
And
much.
how do you say that?
That's margarita pizza. Margarita. Is that right?
Which is my whole family's least favorite.
Now,
I like it.
The jalapenos are very strong. I can't take it. I'll put a couple in there and I'm choking.
My son can take it, and
I
he's
can't do it.
13.
I had these on my salad, the garlic parmesan today. Delicious. What's the one we just got rid of? Nacho cheese. Nacho cheese. Delicious. So that's just a little tip at the end of our video. The manufacturer's called Twin Peaks Ingredients. Where did you get these? I'll put a link.
Amazon.
I'll put a link in the description below that you can get these. This is a great thing, and
They're really
it's
good.
great for snack if you want to make a granola bag or a trail mix. Wait, or a snack bag?
Okay, like
she
trail
looks
mix.
at me like this, like, what are you talking
granola bag, because I'm thinking sweet. I'm not
just
thinking
saying.
trail mix, but yeah.
Anyway,
My kids really enjoy them. It's a nice little treat. It's like a crunch, you know, like, because they miss, I'm always trying to find something that my kids can enjoy that's keto.
healthy.
Right, and
low
keto.
carb, yeah.
I would rather, and it's expensive. I'm not going to lie.
Yeah, so that's why I use only 5 of them.
This is $25, and it is expensive. But
So use them wisely.
yeah, one at a time. I let them have like a little, like half cup full, and they can eat that for snack.
And 21 grams of protein.
And it's like better than Cheetos or cheese curls or whatever.
Yeah, the
so-
cheese balls our kids used to love. Those
Yeah.
big fat cheese balls.
Your dad would get that big gigantic
Oh,
bucket.
yeah. The UTZ. UTZ. UTZ.
Yeah.
Not a sponsor. Anyway, that's the video, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Happy Laugh Day. Make sure you follow us on social media. We are on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. You can see the cards on the screen right now where to follow us from. Plus, at the end of the video, their cards are also there as well if you want to follow us on those socials as well. Hey, thanks for tuning in, guys. Thanks for everybody that subscribed to our video. Also, guys, make sure after this video, you want to watch our next video, which is right over here. It's going to be our deep dish pizza. Don't miss that. And also go and watch our playlist of tailgating series where we talk about all kind of foods for tailgating. Don't want to miss that. And remember, until next time, keep it soupy.
Soupy Sales?
Exactly.
Don't nobody know who that is.
Somebody does.